This is the ultimate cuteness. Okay, baby, let's go get your cheaters. Let's do a trick. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go. You want a treater? Oh, yes, you want a treater. Okay. Get some treaters here. Oh, looks like we don't have any treaters there, Peanut. You're crap out of luck. Let's just see if she gets dog food. Peanut. Baby. Okay, come on. I got Treatos. Let's go do some tricks. Work for your food. Let's go. Okay. Stay back. Get away from me. Hold still. Okay. Ready? See the treat? See it? Okay, ready? Lay down. Good girl. Okay, done. Sit. Sit. Baby. Peanut. Treater. Sit. There you go. Good girl. Okay, ready? Got one more. Ready? Jump. Up, 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 up. Come on. Get it. Up, 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 up. Come on. Up, 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 up. Come on. For a while. Let's go. Oh, there you go. One more time. There's a good girl. You see that cuteness? This will be Peanut. She's so cute. It's not funny. She's a good dog. Aren't you, baby? Is you a good dog? If you don't piss on the floor, you are. Right?